Hey everyone, in this video we will solve this interesting third question, x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, and we have to find root x minus 1 by root x. So we have x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So let us try to find root x. So we will first focus on finding root x, then we can easily find this portion, right? We will simply take reciprocal of that. So root x, the root of 3 plus 2 root 2. Now how can I simplify this? So if I have to simplify this, then I will have to get rid of this square root, right? And what is the best way to get rid of this square root? I will have to make this a perfect square. I will have to make this a perfect square. So 3 plus 2 root 2. I want to make a perfect square. So how can I do that? So let's say this is equated with a plus b whole square, and from here I got a square plus b square plus 2a. Now I can map these two, right? I can map these two. So a square plus b square is 3 and 2ab is 2 root 2. So ab is nothing but root 2. So let's say I split them in two parts, a and b, root 2 and 1. So if I square them 2, square them 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So it means that I can rewrite this as root 2 plus 1 whole square. And if I take a square root over this, then I can cancel them out. So I can cancel them out. So from here I will get root 2 plus 1. So root x is root 2 plus 1 and 1 by root x. So let us try to find that. So root x is root 2 plus 1 and 1 by root x, right? 1 by root x. So 1 by root x will be 1 upon root 2 plus 1. But since we don't have generally surds in denominators, we rationalize them, right? So we will multiply by root 2 minus 1. So we will multiply by conjugate of this. And conjugate is the same numbers but with opposite sign. So here we have plus, so here I have to use minus. So from here I'll get root 2 minus 1 divided by, now a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So that would be root 2 square minus 1 square. So from here I'll get root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So from here I got root 2 minus 1. So I got root x as root 2 plus 1. 1 by root x as root 2 minus 1. And I have to subtract them, right? I have to find root x minus 1 by root x. So from here I'll get root 2 plus 1 minus of root 2 minus 1. So from here I'll get root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 plus 1. Now here I can cancel out few things. So I can cancel out these two. So from here I'll get 1 plus 1, 2. So finally this is our answer. 2 is our answer. Okay. So our answer is 2. So this was an easy question once you find the square root, and you will simply take reciprocal of that and you can rationalize them, and at last you will get 2 as your answer. And this is not that hard question, right? So let's meet in some other videos. We will discuss more such questions. Thank you.